All right. Welcome to my video. So today we're going to review the review, or we're going to be watching videos of people that are going to unbox stuff, and most of them will have some pretty good surprises. So I can't wait to start. So whenever you're ready. All right, let's do this.
I am going to share something really exciting with you guys. I've ordered something from a very special website. Let's see what it is. I hope. So I've ordered these shoes for my gym. And oh my god. Like seriously? In a shoe box? This is not bad.
Well, she was surprised that the shoe was not there, and it was you know, kind of obvious that she was acting, and then she's like she found the glasses, the sunglasses, and then she just was happy with the outcome, which is weird. So I don't know. Could be acting, could be like that she was really not feeling quite good about the surprise and the camera, recording. Probably she just, you know, kind of improvised and just went with the flow because of the camera, of course. So I don't know. I don't know. You guys, comments. Let me know what you think.
What's going on, guys? Today I'm doing a
That's a
unboxing
British guy.
video of a
Let's see.
Sony Bluetooth speaker, and guess how much it cost? $60. Yeah, so let's start opening it.
$60.
Let's see what they put in. Is this a joke? Oh. A sponge. A sponge. A sponge. I paid £60 for a sponge.
So I don't know. That was pretty decent, I believe. Uh, he was trying to unbox the box and then found out that there's a sponge. He seemed pretty angry, but it wasn't natural. I would say it wasn't natural at all. And the fact that he was saying that it had costed him $60 beforehand. I mean, before trying to open the box, that was, a pretty, uh, you know, irrelevant detail to add before. I don't know, could be, but emphasizing on that. That's what I mean by adding that detail. Is because he emphasizes on the detail, which is the cost of the box. And at the end of the day, he found out that it's a sponge. There's a sponge inside, nothing else. So I don't know. Probably that's a fake one too, but it's either a fake one or probably the guy is not really good on a camera. So yeah, I don't know, but I would say it's like 60% fake. Can't make sure. I cannot tell you or just guarantee that's fake, but yeah, you never know.
Hi everyone, I just got this package. I was expecting this package and I was very happy to see the package on my doorsteps today. So I'm excited because I have some occasion that I have to go and I thought this dress will be so perfect. Thank you. Yeah. Moment or two. Whoops. Oh my gosh, what is this? Uh-oh. What is this? I was expecting a dress. I think I got scammed. And there's something else. Oh my gosh, no. Guys, look at this. Seriously, I think I just got scammed. I want my money back. And where is my dress? Oh, it's empty.
Well, a banana in the box, that's pretty funny. I don't know about the rest, but it doesn't seem like it was an act or anything. Probably just a legit video. She was pretty uncomfortable, but I could say that's just because of the camera. Yeah, but apart from that, I mean that's pretty nasty. I mean, someone's buying a dress and then you give them a box for food, a plastic food box, and a banana, and the banana wasn't even inside the box; it was outside, which is weird. I mean, why would you do that? Come on.
Now for today, I will be unboxing my new HP notebook PC. It has a 1 terabyte hard disk drive. Now the reason I got this new computer is because my previous computer was quite old and most of my current applications were not running properly on that computer. So without further ado, let's get into it. Oh, wow. From the get-go, the beauty of the Hewlett Packard industry. Okay. Some trash, previous owner. Okay, aside from. Okay. Good. Just been scammed.
That's a legit one. Yeah, that's for sure because I've been scammed probably many times. I mean, I don't know, countless times. And there's a lot of box where you find socks and then a book just to make it heavy. I mean, that's a scammer's job, or people putting pranks on you and stuff. And the way he reacted to it was like genuine, I'd say. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much what I've got to say about that video. Poor guy. I mean, ordering a laptop online from eBay or I don't know, God knows from where, and then getting a big ass book and two socks. Shit, that's nasty, man. All right, next one. I believe that's this old guy from the UK, US. Let's see what he sounds like.
And I ordered this fancy schmancy tripod for my phone, and they normally go for about $50.
I think
I
he's
scored
from
this one for
Germany
way
or something.
less. So
Let's see.
it's time for the unboxing, and let's see what we have here then. Well, let's see. I thought they'd have better bubble wrap or something like that, but I suppose that's how they do it. Let's have a look here. Okay, let's have a look at my fancy. Well, hello. What's this? I don't even know what this is. Wow.
Okay, so yeah, the German guy. I don't know, German accents. I would say that was. Uh, what was he expecting? I mean, he doesn't know what he got, but I didn't quite get what he was expecting. Anyway, I'm not sure if the video is the legit one or a fake one, but he seemed quite decent about it. There's no kind of aggressive act to it. So yeah, I'll classify that as a leisure one, but that's pretty nasty, man. I don't know what he got. He got, I think, an extension for Wi-Fi or something because it had the Ethernet uh, plug or something. Probably, I don't know what that was. It could be a charger for a camera, battery or something. God knows. Anyway, next one. Let's see. That's a lady here. Let's see what she's got to unbox for us. All right.
This is a package. I have no idea of what is inside. Okay. So we have, but here I don't think there is a. Feels like really light. Okay. There is another box. So another box. Oh my god! We have another box! A Philip lamp. Another tiny box. Really cute. I'm so happy. Yeah.
I don't know what to say. She found like one box inside the other, like 6 or 7 boxes, and probably got what she was expecting at the end in a little tiny box. And I don't know. I don't know what to say. Whatever. So next guy, let's see. I don't know if he's an American, African. Let's see what he sounds like.
We're back at it again with another video. What are we going to do today? Yes, we're going to be unpackaging this. I needed a do-rag, you know? So, like, this is kind of like what I ordered for. I ordered, like, a do-rag, but this is a wave cap. So, I needed a do-rag to keep my hair in place, right? There we go, we got it. It looks legit, so I'm about to open this right now. Okay, here we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got this bitch.
Did he cut the drug or what?
No!
Oh shit! When he
My
was
fucking
cutting,
durag!
probably he did cut it.
Okay, we got a durag, but I kind of like fucked up the cut and I cut up the strap of it. Shit.
Yeah, that's fucked up, man. You use the whole thing, you don't even feel the bag, and you just go ahead and cut the whole shit out. That's fucked up, man. Why would you do that? That's so stupid. Anyway, let's go for the next one and see. That video is probably from Africa too. The previous one, I think the guy was from Ghana, I would say. Yeah, so let's see the next one.
Wow, this is a nice box. Why? You keep me to unbox this box now. Fuck. This item has been damaged. Why? Fuck.
What the fuck? This is so funny. I mean, the guy is holding a box. There's a whole film about it. There's a camera filming him while he's entering the room. Then he fall down. The box falls down as well. He opens the box. He gets whatever cartridge, and right away he finds out that it was broken or it's broken down or something. And then he's like angry about it. I mean, that's funny because it's so stupid. it's funny because the acts, I mean, the filming, the creation of that little movie is crazy stupid. I mean, come on. All right, next one. I think it's an Indian lady. Let's see.
Hi guys, so from past 6 months I've been saving money for my favorite jewelry, and few days back I ordered the jewelry and today I received this box in which it is my favorite jewelry. So I'm too excited to open this box and show you all my excitement. So let's just open this box without wasting further time. So here's the box. So now where is my jewelry box? I can't find it. Lot of trash over here. So here is the box. Where the hell is my earrings? Fuck! I ordered jewelry for myself. I received these. What is this? Look what I got in the name of jewelry. This trash. Look. There's nothing over in this box. Else than trash.
Poor girl. I mean, she probably not acting. I mean, she ordered for a box, a jewelry box, and then she got some transparent box and some food inside. What was that? I don't know what that was, but she didn't seem like acting at all. I mean, the video was like believable, 100%. That's how I would classify it. But you know, I feel pity for her. Nah, not cool, not cool. All right, we've got a last video. I think it's a Chinese girl. So let's see what she's got to unbox for us. All
I
right.
just wanted to show you this special shampoo that I got, and I'm so excited because it's so rare. And here it is. Can't wait to show you. I've been waiting several days for this, so I guess it's in a black bag. They gave me cookies instead of a shampoo that I've been wanting forever. Well, I guess, I don't know, should I complain? I'm pretty disappointed that I didn't get my shampoo, but I got cookies.
She got cookies. So she ordered for a shampoo and instead she got cookies. I don't know. It seems to me that she's telling the truth. Probably that's a scam. I don't know. How can scammers, I mean, ship things inside the US using USPS? I don't know. I thought, you know, scammers could be like international mail, but locally you can scam people. That's so stupid. But what you say? I mean, stupid people everywhere. Anyway, thank you for watching. That was it. We have reviewed the reviewer. We have unboxed the unboxer. We have watched many of these videos of people unboxing things. Some of them looks real. Some of them are real. Some of them are quite fake, I would say. I don't know. Can't tell you. Can't confirm. You guys leave your comments. Tell us what you think. And this is it. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Subscribe to YesEpicYes channel.